Hi, in this video I will show you a runic stave for cleansing the Ancestral channel. It was created by Slavena. This runic stave is designed to clear your personal ancestral energy channel from curses, energy thefts, crossings, closed roads, and all kinds of negativity. This is not a cleansing of the whole bloodline and the whole family, it's just a cleansing of your personal family negativity. So it will not affect the family. In this way it is much safer to use, as it works only with your energies. Later in the video I will also explain how to use it, how to activate it, and the best time to work with it. This graphical magic construct is one of many from my collections of rune formulas and rune staves. Those are available for you. All links are in the description of the video. This runic stave works as a cleaning of the personal life channel. Such healing work that works with the family and with the ancestral energies can give much better and faster results than just personal cleansings. It removes not only the negativity received from grandparents or mothers and fathers, but also that received from husbands, wives, through the energy channels. Those are created during the lifetime. This stave consists out of many runes, not only from the Elder Futhark runes, but also from Icelandic runes, Anglo-Saxon runes, Venedic runes, and some other intuitive symbols. There are just too many to go through them all. The main energies at work here are energies of rune Skagalas, Teivas and Urus. It removes the damage and returns the negative energy to the sender. Fire runes and attacking runes like Kviort and Thurisas, they are hacking the defenses of the negative energy and destroys the negative energy. Also restoring and positive energy attracting runes like Berkana, Feho, Raido and Otala and Ingus. Those are used to repair and remove all the negative damage to the energy channels. Also the Otala and Ingus runes are restoring the ancestral memory, restoring and healing the ancestral energy channels, and restoring the genetic channels. This stave can be used if there are some problems in life, in all life areas. Those might or might not have their roots in the family energy. For example, some inherited negative patterns, negative behaviors, inefficient beliefs. An example incantation for this stave could be like this. By the power of this stave, my ancestral channels is cleansed from the ancestral negativity that is on me, that is received from my ancestors, from curses of any nation and origin. This stave breaks all the defenses that protects the negativity. After the cleanse, this stave activates and fills my ancestral channel with pure energy and opens up all possibilities in all my roads. Works as safe as possible to me. So be it. By the way, if you don't know the meanings of the runes, you can get my free runes cheat sheet PDF file with all the rune meanings, divination spreads and some basic rune formulas. And a word of warning before activating any graphical magical construct: it would be wise to check with rune divination to verify that it will be safe for you and that it will work as expected. If you don't know how to do that, you can learn on my course. Now, how do you activate this stave? The best way is to draw it by hand on paper, but also, if it's hard for you, you can print it out. In that case, you trace each line of the stave with your pen or a marker. This is a pretty powerful runic stave, so don't hold it active for a long time. Don't hold it longer than 11 days for sure. If it's your first rune magic experience, I suggest you to hold it for 3 days. Now, how to activate it? You take the drawn runic stave on the paper, say the incantation, and then you put a candle on it, light the candle and let it burn down completely. After that, the stave is activated. It's a simple ritual of activation. If you want to learn a stronger ritual of activation, that invokes the 4 elements, you can do that on my course. My courses are short value-packed video course with years of my experience condensed into a 20-minute video that will enable you to work with runes in a safe and efficient way very quickly.